So the lasagna, the real one, la lasagna, la Bolognese from Bologna, from my region, Emilia-Romagna, not the American one, no. I see how they make it here with the ricotta, with the mozzarella, all the cheese swimming, and I want to cry. That is not the lasagna from Bologna. So today, the real one, how you make it right, the way we make it for 100 years. First, the most big mistake, so you know, do it the cheese. In America, everybody put the ricotta and the mozzarella, all that cheese that make the long string. No, 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 no. The true lasagna from Bologna, she has no ricotta, no mozzarella, never. Only two things, the besciamella, the white sauce, and the Parmigiano, the real Parmigiano-Reggiano. That's all. Everybody they know, believe me, but it's true. You go to Bologna, you eat in the restaurant, is the besciamella, not the ricotta. Okay, now you know. We start the sauce, the ragù, and here the second big mistake. People, they make it like a tomato sauce, all red, swimming in the tomato. No, the ragù bolognese is a meat sauce, not a tomato sauce. The meat is the king. The tomato is only a little, just to give a little color, a little sweet. So listen how you do it right. First, the sofrito, the onion, the carota, the celery, you cut them small, small, all the same. And here, a little trick everybody skip. The pancetta, a little pancetta, cut small with the vegetable. This gives the deep taste, the base of everything. And importante, no garlic. No garlic in the ragù bolognese. I know everybody, they think Italian, so garlic, garlic. But no, in Bologna, in the real ragù, is no garlic. Only the onion, the carota, the celery, the pancetta. This is the truth, I no lie to you. You cook the sofrito slow. In the butter, yes, the butter and a little oil too. Slow, low fire until it's soft and sweet, not brown. 10 minutes, no rush. Everything good is slow. Then the meat, two kind, not one, the beef and the pork. Only the beef is too dry, too serious. The pork, he give the fat, he give the sweet. And no, take the meat too lean, the very red one with no fat, no. A little fat is the taste, is the juice. The too lean meat make a ragù dry and sad. And no grind it too fine like the paste. You want to feel a little the meat in the mouth. You break it small with the spoon, no big lump, and you cook until it's no more pink, and then a little more until it's a little brown on the bottom of the pan. That brown on the bottom, that is the flavor, no, throw it away. And a little salt now with the meat, no after. Now the wine. And another mistake, everybody put the red wine, but the real Bolognese, she want the white wine. See, the white. The white, she's gentle, she lifts the meat, she no cover it heavy like the red. A glass of white, and you let it cook away until you no smell the alcohol. Then the tomato, but only a little. Remember what I say, not the big can, just a little passata, 2 spoon, 3, and a little concentrato, the tomato paste for the dip, only to color. The ragù must be brown, the color of the meat, not red like the sauce for the pizza. And now my secret, the one my mother, she gave me, the milk. A little milk, un goccio, in the meat. People, they look at me like I am crazy. Milk in the sauce. Maria, you lost the head. But no, the milk, she make the meat soft, tender, and she take away the last little sharp from the tomato. My mother do it, her mother do it. You try it one time, you know, go back. And now the patience. This is where everybody, they fail. They cook the sauce 1 hour and they think it's finished. No, 3 hour minimum. Slow, slow, the little bubble blip, like she's half asleep. 2 hour, 3, 4 is better. The meat, she must to become soft. She must to fall apart when you touch it. The 1 hour ragù is thin, is nothing, is water. The 3 hour ragù is deep, is dark, is another thing completely, no shortcut. The ragù, he take his time and you cannot argue with him. And 2 more things, while she cook, If she get too dry, never let her stick and burn. You put a little hot water, or better a little brodo, the warm stock. And never the big boil, never only the little lazy bubble. The big boil, you make the meat hard like the rubber. And the salt you taste at the end, no at the beginning. She cooked down 3 hours. She get more strong, more salty. Better a little now, and you fix her at the end. A little black pepper too, fresh. And the biggest secret, the one nobody have the patience for you, make it the day before. The ragu, the whole lasagna is more good tomorrow. When everything rests together one night, all the flavor they marry, they become one. So if you can, the sauce today, the lasagna tomorrow is worth it. I promise you. Now, while the ragu, she cook the pasta. And no, the box. No, the dry pasta from the supermarket. Fresh. And in Bologna, the real tradition is the green one, la lasagna verde, with the spinach inside. You boil a little spinach, you squeeze all the water out, everything. Then you chop it very small and put in the dough with the flour and the egg. She come green, beautiful, and she hold the sauce better than the dry. The flour on the table, a little mountain, a hole in the middle, like, the egg inside, with the fork, slow. You bring the flour in. Then the hand, always the hand, 10 minutes until she is smooth like the silk. Rest under a bowl, half hour, the dough she need to rest too. Then you roll her thin almost. You see through it. Because thick pasta, she make a heavy lasagna, like a brick, like eating a mattress, and you sleep all the afternoon, thin. Then you boil the sheet only 1-2 minutes in the salt water, quick in the cold water, so she stop, and on a towel to dry. Now the besciamella, the white sauce, is easy. No be scared. It's 3 things. Butter in the pan, you melt, then the same weight of flour, mix fast, so is no lump. Cook 1 minute important, or she tastes like the raw flour. Then the milk, warm is better, slow, a little, and you mix until she's thick like a cream. She coat the spoon, but no too thick. This everybody do wrong. The besciamella, she must to stay soft. She must to run a little, so she go nice between the layer. Too thick, she is like the glue, and the lasagna come out dry. A little salt, and a little secret, a little nutmeg, la noce moscata, just a little you grate on top. Not too much, or it's bitter like the medicine. The nutmeg with the milk, that is the magic. And the Parmigiano, the real one, Parmigiano-Reggiano, you grate it yourself from the piece. No, the one already grated in the plastic bag. That smell like the feet. God forgive me. And not too much. People, they drown the lasagna in the cheese. No, a little on each layer. That's all. The Parmigiano is strong. He's seasoned, everything. He no need to be a mountain. Now you build it, and here the last mistake, people, they make the layer thick and they put too much sauce, and the lasagna, she come out like a soup, everything slide on the plate. No, thin layer, little sauce, many time. First, always a little ragù on the bottom of the pan, just to cover, so the pasta, she no stick, no burn. Then the pasta, then a little ragù, spread thin, then a spoon of besciamella, then a little Parmigiano, and again the pasta, the ragù, the besciamella, the Parmigiano. 6 layers, 7 is good. Thin. On the top, the last one, little more besciamella, a good Parmigiano, and a little butter here and there, so she make the gold crust. In the oven, not too hot, the middle, 40 minutes, until the top is golden brown and the corner, they start to bubble. If the top she get dark too fast, you put a little foil on top so she no burn. And no open the oven every minute, let her be, she know what to do. That corner, the crispy one, that piece is mine. I am 91. I earn it. And the last thing, the most important, and everybody, they do it wrong when she come out of the oven. You no cut her. No, 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 no. She must to rest 20 minutes on the counter. I know she smells so good. Everybody hungry, waiting. But if you cut her hot, everything slide out. All that work, a mess. You wait. She settle. All the layer they hold together, and then when you cut the piece, they tall, and you see every thin layer, one on top the other, like a little tower. 20 minutes is the time to lay the table. So that is the real lasagna alla bolognese. No ricotta, no mozzarella, only besciamella and parmigiano, little tomato, more meat, the white wine, no the red, no garlic, a little pancetta, a little milk. 3 hours for the ragù, and better you make it the day before. The fresh green pasta, thin layer, little sauce, and let it rest before you cut. It's not hard, no, it's only a little patience, a little love. And when she's ready, it's not just a food on the table, it's Bologna, it's 100 years of the family, mangia, buon appetito.